Today we are going to see how to add a node in the front of the already existing list, that is singly linked list. Look the diagram 1. First node is A, that is head node. Last node is D, that is tail node. This diagram 1 is already existing singly linked list. In this list I am going to add a node at the front. Look at the diagram 2. E is a new node that I am going to add at the front. So what are all the things I have to do now to make the new node E as head node? There are 4 steps totally. First is I need to create a memory for the new node using dynamic memory allocation malloc function that we'll see it later. Second is I have to mention what value I am going to insert. In this diagram, E is the value. Okay. Third, I have to create a link between newly created node E and the head node A. Fourth is I have to make the new node what I have created as a head node. So these are the 4 steps I need to follow. Okay, we shall see the code, how to write code for this. Here void push, meaning I am going to insert a node. So what are the parameters I have to pass here? Head pointer and new data. So why have I passed these parameters? Because A is the head pointer now, and I am going to insert a new node E before A. I have to make E as head pointer. For that only I am passing parameters as head pointer and new data in the function. See the first line, number 1. I am creating a memory for the new node using dynamic memory allocation malloc function. That is struct node star new node is equal to struct node star malloc size of struct node. So this is the line that we are going to write for allocating memory, dynamic memory for creating a node. Okay. Then second line, I am giving data, that is value for the node I have just created, that is new node data equal to new data. Okay, new node data equal to new data, that is E. Okay. Third line, I have to link newly created node with the old head pointer, that is new node next is equal to star head. Okay, I have to link the newly created node with the old head pointer. Okay, so for that I am giving the third line. Fourth line is very important, that is I have to make the newly created node E as head. So always look from right to left. Now read it. New node is equal to star head. Okay, so I am making the new node as head pointer. So you are making that new node as head pointer. So everything is finished. 4 steps are finished now. Okay, hope you all understand. Thank you.